nice if you don't pedal. Put your drumsticks into it. That's what I told them, what? We were losing altitude, you see, and heading for fearful prey.
This is a lovely holiday. I'll be sad to go back.
Safety at all times is imperative. Now, wind it up and let her go!
So, is it as good as you imagined?
No. It's better.
Come on, I'll show you how to play cricket.
Right, here's a thought. Why don't we get an egg and start our own chicken farm? That way we'll have all the eggs we could eat.
Right. We'll need a chicken then.
No, we need an egg. You have the egg first. That's where you get the chicken from.
Oh, that's cobblers. If you don't have a chicken, where are you going to get an egg?
Have from the chicken. That comes from the egg.
Yeah, but you have to have an egg to have a chicken.
Yeah, but you've got to get the chicken first to get the egg, and then to get the egg to get the chicken out of it.
Hang on. Let's go over this again.